why we couldn't make it. No? I couldn't call you because I felt it would be a thing of 1 or 2 days. I didn't know it would take that long. Such thing has never happened in this palace before. What do I say? Well, I want to suggest something to you. I was thinking you could come by the house and stay for some days, you know, to keep your man company. Who would keep him company at this point of his life, if not his betrothed? To make him happy. You know what I'm saying, though? What do you think about it? No, nothing much. Just, you know, little tender, loving, kindness, you know, things like that, just to make him feel okay. Okay. Think about it, alright? Alright, my dear. I'll be expecting you soonest. Alright, thank you.
Welcome, my princess.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, you're here. Welcome, princess.
Oh, I came as soon as I heard your mother filled me with everything. I'm really sorry. Please, excuse us. You can come when I'm done.
Okay, my princess.
Tell me, how are you feeling now?
I'm recuperating very fast. Getting better.
Not to worry yourself, eh? I am here to take good care of you.
Nah. You don't have to bother yourself. They are taking good care of me. There isn't much for you to do.
Oh, please, don't do that, eh? Who else can take care of a man better than his wife? We're getting married soon. Here, let me feed you myself.
No, I'm not hungry yet.
You need to eat your food. If not, it will get cold.
I don't like hot food. That's why I told her to bring it early enough.
She don't want me to feed you.
I'm fine. Once I am... See, princess, I was about taking a nap before you stepped in. So please, I need to have a rest. My doctor warned me to rest very, very well. But don't worry. Once I wake up, I will tell them to inform you.
Okay, if you say so, no? Have a good sleep.
Thank you. What is wrong with this girl? What kind of problem is this, for God's sake? Huh? Why is mom and dad bent on frustrating my life? Trying to make me marry this girl. A girl I barely know nothing about. Talking about marriage for what? That will never happen. Marriage my foot.
Look at how she just said we should leave. Nonsense.
Joy. Don't put me into trouble. Go that big go. Look, she's the prince's wife to be. And she's a princess. You and I are not.
And so? With a busybody character. I don't just like that girl.
You want to beat her?
I don't have time for that nonsense.
She should better do quick and leave that place. I have a lot of laundry to do. And I have to sleep on time.
Go and drag her. What is the chit chat all about? Because I was hearing both of you from afar. Joy, Choma, you two don't have anything to do other than standing around chit-chatting? Chief, I'm done mopping and cleaning. And you?
Chief, I would have been done by now. But the princess came and asked us to leave.
The princess came and did what?
She asked us to leave and come back later.
The princess is around.
Yes.
And so? And then, even though, we need to get inside and get busy. See them. Silly lots. Jobless things. Why won't this one just stay in her palace for once? Why is this girl frustrating my life? Oh, just be like that.
See who we have here. So you decided to come see me after everything?
I say make I let myself know how you do. How are you doing?
I'm getting better. You've been keeping away from me. If not, would have known my condition by now.
No, I don't keep away from you. Now myself, they keep away from you. No vex. I come make I know how you did. I make her.
Alright, I'm getting better, as you can see. Now, a quick one. Were you the one that served the meal I ate the last time?
Yes.
The one everyone ate?
Na me cook and na me serve her for you.
So how come after eating that meal I started vomiting and purging at the same time?
Na the thing tire me. Na make I be the thinker as you the thinker. But what if my brain fit bring come out be say, maybe na your system, people's system varies. So maybe na your own varies away from other people.
That is not true. I think you're just trying to punish me for what I did to you.
Hey, my prince, no talk like that. Eh? Now nonsense I know they take, but I know wicked. Not only nonsense now I know they take, but I know be wicked person. They talk like the thing. No, I no be wicked person. I know if you do that kind of thing. Why I go one poison you? Say what happen?
Okay. I should not talk like that, right?
Don't talk like that, I beg. I know if you do.
Alright, this is the deal. If you don't want me to talk like that, then you stop avoiding me. Yes, you start seeing me anytime I want. Do you understand me? If not, I'm going to tell everyone that cares to listen.
Blackmail, you are blackmailing me. You are blackmailing me and you know good.
Call it anything you want, I don't care. See, Adugo, I'm beginning to have feelings for you. See, I don't intend to put you in danger in this palace. I would have been showing more of these feelings for you, but it's just that I can't show it here. You know, because of where we are, where we live, the people around us. When I'm coming, I'm planning something, right? But I don't know, each time I see you, I get so excited. I have feelings for you.
My priest, not do this kind of thing now. Don't be now a person when you want marry, they palace. You know good. Don't put me for trouble. Eh?
What are you talking about?
Well, I know they like her. This way they talk like they very wrong. Why you they talk?
See, listen, I have nothing to do with that girl. I have absolutely nothing. It is you I want. It is you I want to be with. I'm excited.
They become you, please.
There you go again. I'm just telling you that I have feelings for you, please.
Nothing concern me, concern feelings. I dey tell you. Anything we concern feelings, you don't come off my body since. I know who get feelings as I did.
What? I love you. Why don't you just make up? What kind of a girl is this?
But forget bros fine show. They call am priest na him be o. That night sweet me o. See as you hold me like small pikin and I wan sleep. I do go dey careful o. This one wey na sweet pain o. Na trouble I just dey find as I just dey here so. If I shook head, make I no go land for myself for better igbese because of man matter. I beg una work, I can't work. I do go day your day. This one, no go area. Respect yourself. But did they sit me shiny time I see that prince? But they sit me.
Papa, this girl will not stop coming to the palace. As I'm talking to you now, she's back again. Me, I'm tired. I don't know what else to do. I'm tired.
It's not only you, my daughter. Myself, I'm tired of all these girls destroying all our effort. I think I have to say Akreka.
You have somebody like Akreka, and you don't want to use him.
Not like that, my daughter. I thought we would have handled it ourselves. Him being our last option.
Papa, hey, so you are almost nearly the one causing all this back and forth. Why are you saving Akreka for? What are you saving him for? By now, I will have been married to the prince and all this matter will have gone down.
I wanted us to do everything naturally, not going diabolic. Because of future now.
Which future?
Makechi.
Which future? Papa, let us go diabolic. Leave future. Future will take care of itself. Have you forgotten that it's only the violence that can take it by force? So let us do diabolic well. Don't worry. After, we'll go and do cleansing if need be.
I think you are right, my daughter. Let me go and see Akrika.
You better go fast. There's no time.
And your fear.
Take this. Make sure you give it to your daughter. Her face should be the last face he sees before eating the food. Take.
Thank you, Akrika. I will inform her of everything you have just said.
Remember, failure to do so, you face the consequences.
Go.
Oh no. So that was how it happened though. All thanks to the gods. I would have lost my only son, the prince.
What? Our own prince? May the gods be praised, oh. You know, since we did not move that day, I waited and waited, nothing. I tried putting a call, but it was not connecting. I even called my daughter to ask her how far. She said, Papa, I will call you back. Up till now, she did not call back.
Children of these days. You are still waiting for the call back.
My king. So, since we did not go that day, I decided to go and see my in-laws concerning a land matter. My king, I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. So how is the prince?
Well, he's getting better. I would say it's fine. Yeah. Yes.
At least it will take like 1 month rest now.
It is well, no. It is well.
Your Majesty, you see why we are hammering on this issue? It is because of days like this.
Well, it's okay. The gods are wise. As we speak, the princess is around to help take care of him. Yes. Yes.
She's always coming around. That is good of her. Your Majesty, I would like to see my daughter. Yes. Her mother gave me some messages for her. So I would like to see her before going.
It's all right. You do that. Huh?
You know, mothers and their daughters, they are so entangled. She don't even come to me. Everything is herself and her mother. She don't always come to me. She not even come to me, sef. I'm alone, no.
Oh no, you are not alone. Even my own son, the prince, every time, my mother. Eh? These children, they forget that we, the fathers, are the ones that
Do everything.
feed the mother with whatever they give to them. But the mothers collect every praise. What will we do?
Your Majesty, like I said, let me see her and give her her message.
But let me give you cola first.
That will be for another day. Hey. Hey.
All right, go well, okay?
Thank you.
Just wait, again, wetin don dey bother me since? How long you don work for this place?
You know, say that time when my papa died, even my mama come die young. My auntie who I been there with carry me come this side. You know, say me I no be Igbo person.
Na person ask you, I say how long you don work?
Okay, how long?
How many of your family members don die?
Okay, that year when my mama died, now come here.
Yeah, to talk and say Calabar people, their brain dey come dey go. Which kind of wahala be this one?
Ah, no, you don't work for here, sister. Now ask you if you no get answer to am, you shut up. Ah, you shut, leave am. Ma go straight to the question. Wetin dey bother me for here be say since when I come this palace dey work, priest no dey collect can water from us. They say one no dey serve priest with can water. Say you get your own water wey you dey drink. That water wey you dey drink, where dey bring am from?
If you be saying that you're saying water, but I don't know because since that time where I come, I never come here come carry water give prince. Me, they know they send me for prince. Your mama yesterday say I will go mumu. So me, wait, I look like mumu person.
Yes, I don't know.
Why you go jump like that? So the water.
I want to beg you for something. That water, I want to know whether I fit test am. You know, say that you queen the trust to always go the wardrobe where they keep the water for praise.
They say that I drink Good afternoon, thief.
Come. How many times have I warned you about this, your tongue? I think it's hard time you went back to school and corrected yourself. What is thief? What have I stolen from you?
Na thief you call her. Na thief she be now. Anything when you use your talk.
Listen to me, it is chief, not thief.
Not thief.
If you observe that I don't have time for both of you. Whose food is this?
Na priest food, I no put spit. Na no put spit.
He wanted to carry and go.
I want carry and go. I just dey ask question say why priest no dey always like us give am can water when we get for here?
Because he has water in his room.
The water when they bring am from.
Come, what is your business with the water in his room? I hope you've not been taken from him.
No, I could ask priest by myself, but I just dey respect am. I no wan invade the privacy. Make I dey ask una who don work here.
Mind your business.
The place. You know the respect. You don't get that for that place.
Me, I drink at that day.
Continue gossiping, both of you. Continue. Help yourselves.
You sure say this girl no be a shower?
Read this video. That's how she dey control person. That first day when I come here, she control me.
You see I don't go more.
Sorry.
I dey pour out for my head because I sit down. Say I no get power. Say my waist.
Sorry. I said she control me. Because na baba na no go. Na so go dey waka. I go waka. Na you control me.
Like what you know?
That short film I will carry like
that good man. When they laugh so laugh, they greet everybody. Now born this Jezebel.
You know, say they talk say a lion no dey born goat, but that lion no born monkey.
No, the man born chimpanzee.
If you know, why you go read me like that? Now we first here.
Yeah. You just get out of my territory. Get out of my territory. Come on,
you go look for me. Ma, get out from your territory.
Look at about two shame. I press people.
Come on for real. Your man used to send me something.
Hey, princess. Yeah, whose food is that?
Oh, it's the prince's food.
Oh, okay, let me have it.
Ma?
I'm actually heading to his room, so just give it to him at once, okay? Let me have it. Good. My darling, come and eat.
I am not hungry.
Alright, I thought.
Hey, princess. Oh, wait, let us talk.
Okay. Wow. I love this new version of you. So you finally want to talk? Good. So what are we talking about?
Tell me, what do you like about me?
That's simple. You're a prince, I'm a princess, we'll get married and our two kingdoms come together.
Oh, wow. Is that all?
And we will have beautiful babies together. Very pretty ones at that. Why do you ask?
Just want to know you more and better, you know.
Okay, that's good.
You know, the way you come to this palace often and on, I guess you're a big CEO, a boss.
Wait, you mean work?
Yes, a CEO of a company.
No, I don't work. My father does the working and the providing. Practically, he provides everything I need. I even promise that we'll go to Paris for our honeymoon after our marriage.
Oh, wow. That's so interesting, you know. So, you sit all day and do nothing?
No, not really. I do travel a lot. Then I do go sightseeing and shopping with my friends.
Okay, that's not bad. It's not bad. So how do we intend to raise our kids while we're busy, you know, traveling around the world?
The two queens are there. We've got maids, nannies. I mean, you don't expect me to sit and start raising kids, right?
No.
So why did you ask?
Nothing. Still want to get to know you more and better. Oh my God, you look so beautiful. Look at you.
Thank you.
I want to have my shower, okay? So, but I'll come and see you later when I come back.
What are you saying? What? I'll just wait. I mean, you wouldn't mind some massaging after you're done with your shower, right?
No, I want to have a shower alone. I mean, I need my privacy. So please don't worry. Just excuse me. When I come back, I'll surely come see you.
You sure you don't want me to help you apply some lotion at your back?
No, I'm fine. Don't worry. When I need those services, I'll call on you.
Okay.
My princess.
Fine.
Hey! Oh my goodness! Thank God I asked you. Hey, fire. God forgive you.
Hey.
You're playing twice.
No. And the people show you say, see, I'm not 65. My prince, don't look me like that now. What is your guts and meetings? They feel serious now. Men don't know they think another thing.
They dare not. I'm the prince. They won't say anything.
I know. If to say your mama and that your wife to be there, they don't born me where say I dey here. I for no day at all. Of course they know day house. Let me just still get my day.
See, I want to correct an impression. She is not my wife. Let us go. Now tell me, apart from cooking, what would you have become?
apart from cooking, what would I have become? I for become cooking. Now still cooking I won't become.
No, I mean, if you weren't cooking, what?
If I weren't cooking, now cooking I go see the cook. Now restaurant I want own, now they can't push or what I want. My own big restaurant where people call the chop. People like you, big men of caliber. You know, call the order assorted. Jaguar, you understand? You see all those things. Boys, I go get boys and girls so they work for me.
Okay. Second question.
My name will be Adugo's Kitchen.
Adugo's Kitchen. Alright, the second one is this. If I wasn't a prince, would you have ended up with someone like me?
If you wasn't a prince, whether I go end up with you? What I want use you do if you don't be prince? Of what use are you to me? Are the kiss case where I go there with you if you don't be prince? Ha! My money be fine, boy. Without money, nothing they play. You need to show me money, I go to see her. What I want to do with a man when you don't get pepper. So if you not be prince, this send me for the year with you. I kiss Chris.
What is funny?
I dey play. I just dey joke with you, guy. Sorry, my prince. I just dey joke with you. Forget, see, the main thing, Shami, I just tell you, jokes apart. Any man wey get sense, he go fit accommodate my craze. Me, I go accommodate his craze. He gets the fear of God. That one is the most important thing. I go fit stay with them. I go fit marry her. Me and that we go run our future together. Money no be everything. No. Money no. Yes, na the mistake wey most girls of this new millennium, this Gen Z generation, na the mistake wey they make. They must make sure say you get money because of what they see for social media. Na lie o. If man get sense, he get the fear of God, the most important thing, because na man wey dey fear God, na no go beat you. Na man wey dey fear God, na go respect you, still love you. So far the man get fear of God, he love me, he dey accommodating, he go fit provide, and he get dream. I go fit help am achieve his dream, he go help me achieve my dream. We go fit train our children together. Hey, all of God for them.
You know the way you say silly things and laugh over it is something else. But you see in this game right now, I'm going to beat you until you cry to that kitchen.
But why you ask me this question? You want find man for me? You want connect me, give your friends?
No. Let's play so I can beat you. Play. You're going to cry.
In case you get friend where you go connect me to, are they available? So far you get sense.
I'm not playing again. Go inside the kitchen.
Why your mood can't change?
Nothing. I'm fine.
My brain, I've done everything. It is not working. I cannot continue.
My princess, you can't give up on him just like that. Huh? And you know it's not quite long you came back from the hospital. And you know
My queen, how long are you going to be making excuses for him? He's not a child. He knows what he wants. And obviously, I am not who he wants.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't be like this, my princess. I need you to be calm and patient with him.
Patient?
Yes.
How long?
For as long as you have to.
My queen, this is a man that do not want me to sit next to him. Talk more of touching me. It's as if I am the one forcing myself on him. Please. I really do not want to continue this.
Don't be like this. Don't be like this, my dear.
Oh, Father, please. How can I be with a woman who forces herself on me? A woman that has no plan for the future, no dreams.
Was that what she told you?
You asked me to get to know her better. And that is what I was able to ascertain.
Oh, come on. You've not tried enough. You've not really bothered to know her. If you do, you would be saying something else. So, please, marry her.
Father, please, with all due respect, I will not marry her. And that is final.
Young man, why are you this insolent? Why are you disobeying me? Huh? I didn't bring you up like this.
Father, that is because my heart belongs to someone else. Huh? Yes, Father. I am helplessly in love with someone.
It's alright. Now tell me, who is her father? Which kingdom is her father ruling? Tell me.
Must she come from royalty? What happens to a man getting married to a well-brought-up girl from a good home?
Son, you are royalty, right? And so, you must marry royalty. That is how it works.
Even when I don't love her?
Come on. What do you know about love? Love is for the weak. Real men go for power, strength, wealth, connections. Okay? I mean, don't act like a weakling. Be like your father. I'm a lion. You should be a lion.
Please, I beg you. This one thing that would make me happy. Please, grant me the autonomy of choosing my wife for myself. This is all I beg, please.
Listen to me, son. Do you know you're selfish? Short of my saying wicked. You think of yourself alone. What about me? What about my kingdom? Your kingdom? What about the royal family? What you think about is just you. Now you listen. You are going to marry her, whether you like it or not. Do you understand?
I'm not being selfish. What about my own happiness? What about my happiness? Huh? What about this one thing that will make me happy? What's all this? Marry. That stupid girl? God forbid.
I'll be going back to Ekene very soon. Although I have some shopping to do. Yeah, the father said he was going to see my dad soon. Of course, it's going to be a huge wedding. Yes. Okay. Oh, hold on, let me call you back.
I'm glad you're smiling.
Thank you, my friend.
So I've spoken with the king. I just had a word with him and said you shouldn't worry, everything will be fine. Okay?
Thank you so
speak with the prince on your behalf. And I believe he would listen to his father.
Thank you so much.
What do I do now? Should I run away from this palace? Will she agree to run away with me? I don't know. Does she love me enough to run away with me? Oh, God. Please help me. What did you cook?
My prince, I cooked spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Yes, my prince.
Open it, I want to see the face. I mean, the appearance.
The food no get face, you no get appearance.
And I'll be going back tomorrow.
Oh, why? You know you could stay a little longer, right?
Yes, I did. Just that I have few things I need to take care of.
Okay. Say so. That's fine.
My queen.
Yes, what is it?
My princess, I wanted to discuss something with you. I don't know if my queen can...
If what? Chisom?
My queen.
What's that you want to say that you can't say in my presence? Speak.
My princess, the chef has been distracting your man.
What? What nonsense? What nonsense are you talking about, Chisom?
She has been seducing him ever since she came here.
What? Come, Chisom.
My queen.
I hope you know this is a very huge allegation you're laying on Adugu. If I find out it's not true, you know you'll be severely punished, right?
My queen, I am saying the truth. Okay, if you both don't believe me, you can come with me to the prince's room. They are together as we speak.
What nonsense? Yes, let's go.
I'll order you as the prince. Open it, I want to see what you cooked. Or did you cooked poison?
No, my prince. I cook no.
Then open it.
Hey, my prince. I'm not the my prince. I'm not the like. I'm not the Jesus, man.
What's going on?
My mistake. No,
What's this?
My mistake.
Hey! Don't ever try it.
Why are you stopping her from slapping the slut? Slap her! Stop it out!
Slap who?
You! Adugo!
My queen, no vex. We don't know say you go barging like this. We just say you for knock.
You don't know say I go barging on you?
Yes, no.
Come on!
Please stop.
Hey!
Please, stop.
Nigga!
So you chose this slut over me?
You watch your tongue. Watch it!
I'll deal with you. I will deal with you.
What are you doing? Get out! Please, I am really sorry. I'm sorry. I'm here for you. Okay, not just...
No, you're not going to be there for me. I thought even you don't take me outside.
Nothing.
Sorry, sir.
Quiet. Are you the little rat that wants to destroy my kingdom?
Yes, Igwe, I'm the little rat that want to destroy it.
Are you accepting?
No, sir. I'm sorry.
Father, please, I beg you. She's innocent. It's all my fault. Please, let her go.
You mean it is this thing, this clown that you said you are in love with?
May the gods forbid, Your Majesty. What are you saying? My son can't be in love with such riffraff, such a low life.
Of course he can't. And I will make sure of that.
Father, please, allow her to go, please. I beg you.
Please, Igwe, I'll not do anything again. I'll not do anything to you again. Please.
You want to destroy the legacy I've built over the years? The beautiful relationship that I built with King Upanefu. You want to destroy it? It will not happen. You won't do that. Now, Cyrus.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Listen and listen real good. On no account should you allow my son to leave this palace without my permission.
Because of
Do I make myself clear?
Hey.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Igwe, I'm sorry. Igwe, sorry, no verse.
Father, you won't do such a thing. No, you won't. I cannot be a prisoner in my father's house. No, I would not condone that. Please, Father, please. You can't do this one.
Give me the punishment, leave him. I beg.
And I have.
Hey.
You mean you want to destroy the legacy I've built over the years? Ah, no.
What's going on?
You no beg again. Make I beg for myself. Beg for your own self. Igwe, I beg. Okay, please.
You.
You don't reach my turn now.
Shut up.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Majesty.
Idiot.
Yes, sir.
Guys, take this little rat, this thing, to the jail until I figure out what to do to her.
Igwe, I'm sorry.
And you,
Father, please. She has absolutely nothing to do with it, please. And you.
I'm sorry. Forget my sins in the past. You know, so
Father, please, I beg you. She's innocent, please. Mother, please. Beg Father for me. That girl is innocent. I'm talking to you.
Just see the way you're behaving. Just look at the way you are behaving over a little household. Come, are you sure that girl didn't put anything in your food? Because this is certainly not my son.
Mother, come on. And you, why are you not talking? Why do you want to punish the innocent girl? What are you afraid? Get out! What are you doing here? Get out! Get out!
Me, I don't know. I don't know why this kind of thing is happening to Arauga. Arauga is a very, very nice person in this parish. I don't know why she's in this kind of trouble. Yoy, what do you think will happen to her now?
Everything will happen to her, yes. It's good. Everything will happen to her.
Joy, why are you so mean? What has she done to you to deserve this? Why?
So of all people to misbehave with, she saw the prince. She didn't even go outside. And even if she wants to do it inside the palace, didn't she see the chief guard? Must it be the prince?
Really?
Yes.
Is that what you have to say?
Yes, that's what I have to say.
It seems like you're having something with the palace guards. And you think everyone can be like you.
Joy. I reject it. God forbid. I send it back to sender. I send it to you.
Yeah. Even you say you have a boyfriend, Abby. You be like say you get boyfriend for this palace and you not tell us. You have a boyfriend. Okay.
When I tell you I get boyfriend, I only said if she wants to seduce somebody, it should not be the prince, that's all.
I won't say she seduced the prince. How did you know, Joy?
Answer.
How? Answer.
How did she seduce the prince?
Somebody that is always in the kitchen. If she don't cook, she mop. If she don't mop, she wash. If your majesty send me water, I'll come and bring water. She's there. If it is like say the prince don't like and that time when she called that first system, you don't like him.
So when you look at her, that cook, tell me what's good in her or attractive that will make the prince like her when he has a beautiful princess all by himself.
Is it the princess he wants or the one he doesn't want? Okay. Please. We see everything, but we don't talk about it. Because if you want to talk about it, the prince, the princess, your majesty, or the majesty will hear of it. So we don't have to talk about it. We have to keep our mouth shut up or you go home.
Wait up. You two. Why are you always defending this girl? Is she your sister?
Must we be our sister before we defend her? Must it be? Okay, tell me, what has that girl done to you since you come to this parish? You're there. Joy is the most stupid and selfish person I have ever met.
Yeah. What's your turn?
And what will you do?
What will I do?
What will you do?
I will beat you. You know what? I should do my worst. Chapa, I will kill you here. Don't try me.
What is this? What are you doing? The story do around me.
What is
this? I'll extend that side. I dare you on one side. People where that place, you want to run her there. Please, what are we going to do to save her? Please.
There is nothing you can do. She will die there. There is nothing. She will learn her lesson.
Jezebel.
Yes.
Look at her. Wicked queen. Jezebel, the wicked queen. I know. If you like this, you don't let the brains. You get eye for the brains. Look at this one. I beg you. What is this? Are you standing for my side or you want to stand for her side? I beg, rest. I don't want to rest now. Even if you say, are we going to do the talk rubbish? How they talk rubbish? I do like go don't get sense. Let's think. I don't feel think because hunger they worry me like this. If I think.
Do you know just very well, yes. We go to the local markets. Ask them people can get off or like rushes to sell food. The local markets to them. They get them to take you to the compound. Immediately, anyone you see, they know that cares to listen. What they have value is truly in the palace. They should come here immediately. Okay, my friends. I can't be now. I'm not saying what to do. It's almost into a workshop.
I do go. Stubborn chef, she no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. I do go. Stubborn chef, she no send anybody. No matter who you be, she go fight you. She fight no. Auntie, I do rock.
Good evening.
Who dey my pikin?
I'm from the King's Palace.
Palace.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything dey okay?
Actually, yes, ma'am. Just that your daughter, she go collect one opui. So they come bust her head.
Bust my pikin head?
Yes, ma'am.
I do?
Yes, ma'am.
My own pikin?
But they carry her go hospital come get her. Yes. Well, as it stands now, they don't come back Palace. Palace say they don't go accept them. So myself, I can call the mama.
Kwanu, no could they go?
Okay.
Where are you coming from with that food?
I want to give the chef food. Chief.
You went to give the chef food. And who asked you to do that?
What is going on?
It was my king.
My name.
My prince. I was asking her who ordered her to give the prisoner food. And she said you were the one.
I beg your pardon. Who is a prisoner? Shut up your mouth. She is not a prisoner. Yes, I asked her to give her the food. What's the problem?
Oh. It's all right, my prince. Please excuse us.
Chama.
Yes, my prince.
Come. How is she? They won't let me see her.
She's not in good condition, my prince. She refused to eat. And the way she sounds, it seems like she has been crying. My prince.
Oh my God, what have I done? What is this? Please, Choma, make sure you keep an eye on her, okay? I just pray that my plans works out. Keep an eye on her.
Okay, my prince.
Father, please, I beg you. She is innocent. It's all my fault. Please. Let her go.
Son, do you know what happens when two kings collaborate? They form an alliance. They become so strong, so powerful, so fearful that other kingdoms find it difficult to penetrate them. That is the legacy I wanted to leave behind for you by the time I joined my ancestors. with what you have done, it is almost practically impossible. I mean, you sit here and beg for a pauper, a common cook. Oh, so disgusting.
Please, just let her go. That's all. I'm begging.
Son, initially I thought she was just a fling. Someone you would just use and dump. But you chose poverty. You chose liability. A gold digger for a fiancé. Look, I didn't know you are this stupid. I raised a son, a prince. I'm not a stupid commoner.
Father, I love her so much.
Just shut up. Just shut up this minute. What do you know about love? Huh? Listen, if you were not my son, I would have...
Adugo etinyekwa no mu na nsogbu na which one be to go the knack prince kwano hey mbakwa oh this no be this girl character, she no dey like this. Can go to hello my in-law.
Mama, everybody is fine, ma. Mama, why are you crying? What happened? What? Angela? Hey. What happened to my daughter?
My darling, what is it? And who was that?
Your mother just called.
Yes?
She said that Angela is in trouble.
What? My own Angela? No. What happened to her?
I don't know. What do we do?
I should be the one to ask you that question. Let's just go and see her. Let's go!
Chief, don't like my mouth. You're welcome to my palace again.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
So, I should ask the guards to bring cola for you. Guards!
Your Majesty, that can wait for now. Yes.
Donald, you can't say that. I mean, you can't come to my palace without getting something. I mean, chewing something, as a minimum.
Your Majesty, like I said, that can wait for now. Your Majesty, look at you. You have not still changed. You're still looking like those days in school.
How can I change? I can't change. But you left me in the street.
Your Majesty, it's not like that. It's just that I left this country. And when I came back, the government won't let me be with their contracts here and there. So that's it.
I know. I'm aware of that. As a matter of fact, we were thinking that you were going to run for the position of the governor.
You are right. Yeah, you are right. But not now.
Well, so, to what do I owe this honorable visit?
Your Majesty, honestly, my mother-in-law called and said that my daughter is in trouble here in your palace.
Yes. My palace?
Yes.
Yeah?
My queen?
Chief Donald, if I may ask, please, who is your daughter?
Angela by name.
Yes, Angela.
No.
We don't have any worker here in the palace that goes by that name.
My mother said she's a cook here.
The cook we have in this palace doesn't go by the name Angela. Her name is Adugo.
Yes! That is also her name.
Yes.
Angela Adugo Donald.
Your Majesty, that's my daughter.
Adugo, your daughter?
Yes.
My prince! My prince!
So what is it?
My prince, the guy just took Adugo to the palace now. My prince, please.
Adugo?
Yes, my prince.
What?
Oh, my angel. I've missed you.
Okay. Let us sit. Marco, sit down, please.
My daughter, I am sorry. I have searched for you everywhere. Eh? Hi.
My angel, you just left us. I'm sorry.
Mom, Dad, you two pushed me to the wall. You were really frustrating me. I had no other choice than to leave.
I'm sorry. We are sorry. We are sorry.
It's okay. I've forgiven you. It's fine. It's okay.
What is going on here?
Adugo. Where were you? Adugo.
Meet my father, Senator Donald, and my mom, Barrister Mrs. Donald.
Are you okay?
Senator. My father is a senator.
Good day, sir. Good day, ma. You're welcome.
Indeed.
You're welcome. Adugo, you speak so well. My son, it's a small word.
A small word indeed, Your Majesty. I'm so short of words.
But how?
How? I just wanted to live a simple life. I know I'm from a wealthy home, but I like this back home kind of life. But my parents, they're not cut out for things like that. My dad believes that the rich should marry the rich. He wanted me to get married to the governor's son, Clinton.
Angela, you will marry Clinton, whether you like it or not.
Father, I will not marry someone I barely know. I will not. Besides, I don't have any feelings for him. We've been through this time without number, and my answer still remains no.
Oh, this girl. You are trying to make me lose my patience in this house. Yes. First, I ordered you to read medicine and surgery in the university.
There he goes again.
And what did you do? You went there and read other course. Angela. Now, I also ordered you now to marry the governor's son. You have started bringing your disobedience. Again, Angela, do not dare me. Do not dare your father!
Father, what do you want from me? Why do you want me to get married to someone I barely have feelings for? I am not going to get married to him. I do not have any feelings for him. He just came back from the States and you want me to get married to him. I don't know him. He does not know me. I will not get married to him. And besides, I'm not ready for marriage at all.
No, you see, Angela, you are not getting any younger. In fact, I want you to remove that madness out of your sense. Because I will not watch you here bring a new life for me as an son-in-law. Do you want to, let me just ask you one question. Do you want to ruin my reputation in this country?
That is the only thing you politicians know. Your reputation. Selfish human beings. All you care about is your feelings. You do not care about other people's feelings. Your selfish desire, that's what you care about. I should see, please, Father, please. I'm begging you. Stop this marriage thing. I do not like it. I don't even want to hear it. When I'm ready to get married, I will get married. Why are you doing this? Why are you trying to force me to get married to somebody I don't have any feelings for? Why? Why are you doing this, Father? Have I ever brought any low life here for you? Have I ever brought a man here for you? When the time is right, I will get married.
Let me tell you, Angela, whether you like it or not, you must marry Clinton. But you see, I don't want to talk about this again. You must marry Clinton, whether you like it or not.
I want to tell you that I'm not going to get married to him. And that is fine now. Ah!
I'm coming. I'll soon be there. I'm almost there. Yeah, we're not leaving the house. Hi, Dad.
Angela, very thick, you're going.
I'm going out.
Give me your khaki. I said, give me your khaki!
Why?
I said, give me that khaki. Give it to me. Yes. From today, no more going around. No more going out of this compound. I have instructed the gate man not to allow you to go out of this compound.
I don't understand, Father. Why? Why would you instruct the gate man not to allow me go out? Why? Is this a prison yard or what?
Actually, I've even frozen all your accounts. And no more allowance for you until further notice.
Father, what is the meaning of this? Because of what? That you had to freeze my account? What did I do? What is my offense? That you're actually putting me under house arrest. And this is not right.
And what is right? What is right? To disobey your father? To disobey Chief Donald? Let me tell you, my daughter, you think that you are stubborn. You think that you are stubborn. But I will show you how to be stubborn. For you to disobey me, that's what you get. Come out of my bed! Get out! Angela, it's like your madness has cooled off.
Dad, my madness did not cool off. I only changed the location. But if that's a compliment, it's okay.
You can take it anyhow, or the way you want it. I want to make it clear to you. I want to pass this good information to you that the governor and his son, they are coming to pay your diary in few days. So you have to be happy.
The governor?
Yes.
Is coming to pay your dowry or my mother's dowry. Because if it is my dowry, that one cannot be possible. Which dowry? Father, I don't understand you. Did I tell you I want to get married to the governor's son? What's all this? Mother, can you hear what Daddy just said? Daddy, Daddy, please, no, if it's a joke.
Angela, you heard your father right. Angela, just marry the governor's son. And stop all this, your drama. I'm tired of this, your stubbornness. It's getting too much. And then it's too much on you.
Because of governor. Because of ordinary governor's son. That two of you want to just destroy your own daughter's life. Father, did I tell you want to get married to him? I barely know him. Which father to take for his or her child? Who to get married to in this generation? Who?
Let me tell you, Angela. The question you ask, the father that wants the best for the child. And let me tell you now, you see all this here drama, all this here madness, you have to stop it. Get ready. The governor and the son, they are coming to marry you. And if you dare me, Angela, I will disown you. And you will regret if this man is your daddy. Don't push me. Angela, I said, don't push me. Don't. Don't. Hey, woman, talk to your daughter. Don't push me.
Angela, why are you doing this?
Did you just hear what your husband said?
Angela, why are you very stubborn? What's wrong with you, Angela?
Mother, your husband...
Shut up! Are you okay? Are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Angela, you are an adult. Yes! You need to make the right choice for yourself. And stop all this your drama!
Mother, just look at... Can you hear yourself? Is this how you got married to my father? You don't even have feelings for him? You don't even know him. I barely know this boy! I just met him once in a dinner.
Excuse me. Angela, do you need the whole year to know someone, Angela? When I met your father, when I met him, I barely know him.
Well, that's...
But just look at the way we are living. We're living happily. We love ourselves. Angela.
Mom, is this what you have to say? So if I refuse to get married to him, what will happen?
Oh, you're asking me what will happen, right? You know your father. You know him too well. Then get ready to be at war with him. Yes! He will disown you. And I will not put my mouth on it because I have warned you. I have warned you. But you are proving very, very stubborn.
Because of ordinary...
Yes, Governor, we need him.
Rubbish. You are vibrating like this, mother. Because of political power.
Rubbish.
Because of governor. Because of common governor. Because of common governor. See how my two parents that I used to respect just dropped their respect on the floor. Because of common governor, my father is vibrating and shaking like somebody that have epilepsy. Because of common governor, my mother is shouting for me. I left that night to my girlfriend's place. We're feeding on my money. But it got to a point I got exhausted financially. And I didn't want her to call my parents because I know that's the next thing she would do. I just had to leave her and I relocated to the village, to my maternal home. I love my maternal grandmother so much and she loves me too. I know my father, that will be the last place they would ever think I would go to because my dad and my grandma, I don't know, they're always having these issues after he built her these 2 bungalows in the village. So I told her, do not call my father. If you call my parents, I'll run away. And Mama is not ready to lose me. So she decided to keep her mouth shut. Then I sold my phone and I used the remaining money to open one small booker. That was where I met you. That time I was beating those boys. That's how I met him.
My daughter, I am scared. I have searched for you everywhere. The least place I think you will go to is in the village. Please, forgive us. Forgive your parents, please. Eh?
Dad, I should be the one to beg for your forgiveness. I'm very sorry. Mom, I'm so sorry for living the way I did. I'm sorry. And I have forgiven you long ago. I love you too. Your Majesty, I'm very, very sorry for everything I did in your palace. I'm so sorry. I'm not a bad person. It's just that me, I don't like anything going wrong. Like, I don't like nonsense. Anybody that do nonsense around me, I try to give to the person back. Like, I don't take... Okay, sorry. I'm sorry, Your Highness. I'll be living with my parents as soon as possible, so I'll not constitute small nuisance.
I hope you don't want to live with your parents because of the way we treated you.
No.
I should be the one to apologize to you. Okay? I allow my quest for power and more wealth to take the better part of me. Okay? Instead of allowing true love to prevail. So I'm indeed very sorry. Please forgive me, okay? Please.
My dear, I'm also sorry. Okay? I'm truly, truly sorry. I was only doing what I felt was best for my son. Forgetting what fate had in stock for us. Please. Son, I'm sorry, please. Forgive your mom. Please.
It's alright, mother. It's okay. We forgive you. I know she wasn't the daughter of a senator. Maybe by now she might be languishing in a dungeon. But thanks to God, we are here together. You know, this will further teach us a lesson that no one should be treated with disdain. Everyone should be treated equally and respectfully. Father, I know I disrespected you, I disobeyed you, but I did it for love.
Look, my son, I should be the one apologizing to you, okay? But I'm not apologizing because I know my son. Before I ask for forgiveness, I know you would have forgiven me, so there's no need for me to ask. You know why? You are a good son, and I'm happy for that, okay? Is it not true? He's a good son.
Yeah.
Yes. Anyway, see, enough of these emotional outbursts. It's time for me to entertain my good friend, my lost but found friend. Majesty. So,
This our love now.
I will come and see you sooner than you think, okay?
Okay, I'll be waiting.
I love you. What's funny?
I love you too.
I thought you were never going to say that. Okay, I'll miss you.
I miss you too.
Chief Donald, my friend.
Your Majesty.
Give it to me.
My friend.
Listen, we are going to visit you very soon. And you know what I mean, right?
My friend, I know. But why can't you allow me to just enjoy my lost and found daughter? Just let me enjoy her small now.
You better enjoy her very fast. Because somebody is standing by to take over from you quickly and forever.
I understand, my friend.
To make very beautiful couple.
Yes. And they'll also give us beautiful babies.
You can't say that again.
Let's go. Get up, guys.
Okay. I will go. I will miss you. You're going.
Yes, bye-bye. I'll be waiting.
I mean, I saw the signs that you are part of it. I have shot it to the house.
Take care. Please do reach out sometimes.
Where you dey go by this time of the night?
My man, yeah, I don't tire for this palace job. Now movement a day like this.
Why? Why you wan leave us go?
You know they tire for this job. Now here you 1 day old. Why I won't go sit to go meet my brother now? I won't go try something new now.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Or you want character run? You know we know everything. You just want meang like this, leave us run.
Why do you talk like that now? There anything? I say I want go city, go meet my brother. I want go try something new. I don't want this palace die now. I'll be today here. It is sweet you as today here like this. I don't open gate for me now.
It's fair.
Don't go open gate. Yeah, wait till you find what to do. Open gate. Ah, come on for here.
Hello? Daddy? Daddy, there's no time for pleasantries. Not why I called you. Things are not going well. Things are not going well. Yes. No. I've not used it. I should. Okay. I will use them. I'll come and tell you. I will come and see you. I'll come and see you. Bye-bye. Whose food is this? That's a press food, Chief. I'm going to add water to it. You want to give him water from the kitchen? Are you okay? I've told you girls time without number. He gets his own water and it's in his room. Don't give him water from here. Go to the bar at the lobby. Get a bottle of wine to his room. Take it to his room. Okay. I will deliver the food myself. What are you doing? You are poisoning the prince?
Joma, what is happening?
It's not me. It's not me. It's not me. It's not me. What happened? It's not me. Chief, I'm not talking this. Let me see. Hey! I don't know what that is though. I don't know. You don't Chief. You put down. You put down. Chief. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. You want to fire. You want Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I am really sorry. Please.
Ma? So it's been you all along. You made my son purge. You wanted him dead?
No. How can I kill the prince? It was my father. It was my father.
Your father?
Yes.
Just because you wanted him to marry you?
No. It's not me.
Keep quiet!
So, you plan to trap my son with love potion? To the extent that you almost killed him? Huh? After all I did for your family, your father chose to betray me. Guards! Where is the chief guard?
He resigned, Your Majesty.
Resigned?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Well, I will deal with that later. Come.
My queen.
Who is here? Hello. Ah, good hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Balance guy.
All is well. The king said I should come and inform you that the prince are choosing your daughter as his bride.
In the question?
Very well.
In the song?
The king said he should come first before the prince changes his mind.
Can we go like this or I should change?
We can go.
Are you okay? Okay, let's go there. Hey! Hi! Please, my king, I'm sorry. Okay. Please, my queen.
Shameless old fool.
Jesus.
Look at him.
You are a disgrace to this community.
I made you Onowu because you were my friend. You were close to me. You were loyal to the palace, to the royal family. You were always here helping me to organize things. Little did I know that you were scheming for yourself.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Ah! You keep quiet. Forgive you for what? Your Majesty. Banish him and his family.
Bam! Well, I am in a good mood today. Therefore, I will be lenient with him. Shut up! Anufia. From this minute, you cease to be the Onowu of this kingdom. He will not participate in anything we are doing in this palace. As a matter of fact, I don't want to see you inside my palace, not even close to it. If you ever commit any evil in this community again, you will be banished forever. I have spoken. My king, take your daughter and get out of my palace this minute. Get out!
Let's go now.
My friend, get out!
Igwe Hanio.
Look at his mouth.
Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Where is she? Yeah, she is.
Wow. You look breathtaking.
Thank you.
The perfect description of the kind of woman I want for myself.
Granddaughter.
Chief Senator Nnamdi Donald, with your permission and in the presence of the entire kingdom, please, Miss Angela Donald, I humbly ask for you to be my wife and also the future queen of this land. I am still waiting.
I do go down now. Yeah.
Ranger, say yes.
Yes, I will marry you.
Igwe,
Now the marriage preparations begin.
I have fallen in love, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. I'm madly in love with you, fallen in love, baby, fallen in love with you, baby. Yes, I said I've fallen in love with you, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. Oh, I'm madly in love with you, fallen in love, fallen in love with you, baby. I'm helplessly in love with you, my dear. I'll be more. Everyone sees you as just a cook, but I'm seeing you as my future queen. Oh, yeah, get more.